Most people come on holiday to Egypt for the ancient history. The last time I came, it was for the beautiful beaches and the lovely weather. You wouldn't normally put food at the top of your lists of reasons to be here, but there's a new group of people who are working really hard to make us all fall in love with Egyptian cuisine. Typical local cuisine is dominated by beans, grains, and lots of rich flavours. Now, up until recently, it hasn't received as much international recognition as other Middle Eastern styles.
You were like, okay, we're gonna do a food blog.
But local entrepreneur Mia Nezar is hoping to change that. She and her foodie friend Laila Hazabella founded what they claim to be the first tour of its kind in the capital.
There are no food tour companies here in Egypt, but it's very popular in other parts of the world. And Egyptian cuisine is so underrated. It's always overshadowed by the monuments and by all of the historical tours. No one really comes here for the food.
First stop on my tour is a family-owned business which specializes in the country's most ubiquitous dish.
So this is koshari, okay? Koshari is the national dish of Egypt,
yep.
And you can get this from like very, very cheap all the way to a gourmet, deconstructed koshari dish. You have lentils,
yep.
You have chickpeas, you have these fried onions, and you also have rice, you have macaroni.
All in this one dish?
Yes.
Yeah. It's typical of Middle Eastern food. A melting pot of influences from former rulers such as the Ottomans to Mediterranean countries and beyond. Okay, I'm gonna give it a go. It's very rich. The onion flavors coming out. I can get the kick as well from the spice, the peppers, and the garlic as well. I like it a lot. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you. This unassuming eatery specializes in a local favorite called hawshi. Can you tell me what these guys are doing now?
هما بيعملوا دلوقتي عيش باللحمة. ده عيش بنعمله بيجي لنا بدقيقة خاصة لينا احنا وبنسويه في الفرن وبعد كده بنحط فيه لحمة فيه جبنة وطماطم وفلفل وزيتون وبعد كده بندخله الفرن تاني بتسيح الجبنة على اللحمة وده اللي احنا مشهورين بيه قوي وده الايتم بتاعنا اللي احنا مشهورين بيه.
For thousands of years, bread has held a special place in Egyptian diets. Their word for bread, aish, actually means life. It's a food you'll find with every meal. Hawshi is a bit like an Egyptian version of a hamburger, but here it's been upgraded.
هو الفكرة بس ان احنا بنحط الصاج ده على العيش فبنسوي بالطريقة دي بتكون قريبة جدا من النار تطلع الرغيف مقرمش كده. القرمشة دي احنا متميزين بيها.
So when would you eat this?
عند المصريين ما بتفرقش معاهم، المصريين ياكلوا أي حاجة في أي وقت.
That's what I like. Anytime. So gooey that I have to put on some gloves to eat it. Serious. That's good. It's really tasty. It's very rich. Tell him not to give away too many secrets, otherwise people will steal your recipe.